Welcome to Tech Machine. Our journey begins in vast, sun-kissed avocado orchards, where farmers carefully tend to these nutrient-rich fruits. Each avocado is hand-picked at the perfect stage of ripeness to ensure quality and taste. Transportation to the factory. Once harvested, the avocados are carefully packed and transported to the processing factory under controlled conditions to maintain freshness. Sorting and cleaning. At the factory, the avocados go through a rigorous sorting process. They are inspected for quality, size, and ripeness. Only the best avocados move forward, ensuring premium quality for consumers. They are then thoroughly cleaned to remove any dirt and residues. Processing and packaging. Depending on their final use, avocados are either manually processed or handled by precision machinery. Some avocados are destined for guacamole, others for fresh slices, and some are pressed into nutritious avocado oil. Each product is packed using the latest technology to preserve its natural taste and quality. Quality control and distribution. Before leaving the factory, every batch undergoes strict quality control tests to ensure safety and premium taste. Finally, the avocados are shipped to markets worldwide, ready to bring freshness and nutrition to tables everywhere. Consumer enjoyment. From farm to table, the journey of an avocado ensures you get the best quality, taste, and nutrition in every bite. Brand logo and message: avocados, nature's gift, nurtured by us, enjoyed by you. Harvesting carrots in the field. It all starts in the fields, where farmers grow and carefully harvest fresh carrots. Once ready, they are transported to the processing factory for cleaning and sorting. Arrival at the factory. Once at the factory, carrots are unloaded and placed onto a moving conveyor belt. Washing and peeling first, the carrots go through a thorough wash to remove dirt and debris. Then, they pass through rotating brushes that gently peel the outer layer. Sorting and quality check. Next, each carrot is inspected. Advanced machines and trained workers separate the best quality carrots from the ones that don't make the cut. Cutting and shaping. Depending on their final use, carrots are cut into different shapes: baby carrots, sticks, or slices, ready for packaging. Packaging and sealing. After cutting, they go straight into airtight packaging to keep them fresh and crisp for longer. Final quality check and distribution. Before shipping, final quality checks ensure every pack meets high standards. Then, off they go to supermarkets and stores near you. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes tour, hit the like button and subscribe for more fascinating factory processes.